So I just listened to a student of mine and she made some interesting mistakes that I want to talk about. Okay, so I listened to her audio file. She was practicing her English speaking. I'm going to record my answer now with my corrections. So there we go. I usually like to make pronunciation observations. Sometimes I stick to grammar mistakes. It depends on the day. But I'm going to get started now. Let's go. Nice, Chris Honey. So you start by saying, yes, of course, I think we do. I think I missed intonation here. I was listening to your audio file, so you can take a bit of a pause here. Yes, of course, I think we do. Nowadays, we consume, then you continue. So I missed this intonation at the beginning, so you can practice that the next time, okay? Then you said, we consume too much information. And then you use the structure, we consumed too much information than ever before. So I would recommend changing to, we're consuming more information than ever before. We're consuming more information than ever. Because there are so many platforms, plural, there are so many platforms we can use. You said that we can use. I'm listening to you right now. You said that we can use. It's fine, it's correct, but I would recommend not saying that. As an example, there are so many platforms that we can use. You can avoid that in that case. Here you said that we can use, access information. I added the preposition to. There are so many platforms we can use to access information. And then you say, as an example, I'm listening to you. As an example, each and every person has a social media account on, not in, okay? So on different platforms. Let me see if I'm recording. Yes, on different platforms. So that is my observation here. So unknowingly, pronunciation, okay? So unknowingly, we consume too much data each and every day. So what is my observation here? It is a short answer, okay? Not a short answer. You're not speaking for too long. I think it's about 2 minutes, 1 minute and a half. You already used each and every. And 5 words later, you're repeating each and every. So you need to add variation here. So it's not wrong. It's just that you repeated this example, this phrase, 1, 2, 3, 3 times in a short period of time. In a short answer, you repeated this too much. So I would change this, I would review and use something else, okay? So unknowingly, we consume too much data each and every day or each passing day, whether we want to see it or not. And these platforms, correction here, the plural again, you have to be general, so use plural. These platforms are designed to feed consumers by catching their algorithm. Then you say again, same mistake, as an example. So avoid repeating it as an example. It's the second time, I think. So avoid that. For instance, okay? For instance, they track us, again, look at the same use again, from each and every single word. So this is the third time you use from each and every single word. So they're too close to one another. So my correction here, by catching their algorithm, for instance, they track every single word we search. That would be better. You avoid from each and every. They track every single word we search through their platform and feed, not fed, and feed a plethora of information. Perfect. I liked that you used plethora. That's very good. Keep it up. And that we are searching, you don't need to use that, but you can, okay? They feed us a plethora of information regardless if we want to see it or not. You used even though, but it's not appropriate. Excuse me, it's not appropriate considering the idea you're describing to me, okay? Regardless if we want to see it or not. I sometimes feel overwhelmed. Remove the preposition by. I sometimes feel overwhelmed after using these platforms. And that's it. That's it. And then you continue by saying, and the bad thing, most dangerous thing I have experienced, too many things, okay? I would say, and the worst thing I have experienced is the tendency, because you said I am tend to use. No, okay? So I would use a noun here. And the worst thing I have experienced is the tendency to use bite sized information. Because again, plural, these platforms feed, not fed, feed us bite sized videos and news alerts. So our mind is not, and it didn't finish. So our mind is not, I don't have the ending. But it's a very nice structure. I really enjoy it. You try to use some different elements that I am teaching in the program. You use some different words. I am proud, okay? Now you just have to pay attention to the repetition of certain expressions. Even though they are slightly more advanced, using them repeatedly will make you sound less advanced, okay? Other than that, my dear, keep it up. I'll see you in the next one.